If CapCut is giving you error 4392, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and it works great whether you're editing on desktop or checking your app settings on mobile. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is disable hardware encoding. On CapCut Desktop, look to the top left corner and open the CapCut menu. From there, go into Settings, then click Performance. Inside the Performance settings, look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If that box is turned on, unselect it. This setting can sometimes cause exporting or processing issues, and disabling it often clears error 4392 right away. After turning it off, click Save, then fully restart CapCut. Once the app reopens, try your project again and see if the error is gone. If you still see the same problem, the next step is to clear the app cache. Cached files can build up over time and sometimes trigger strange errors inside CapCut. Go back into Settings and open Performance again, or if you're on mobile, go directly to your CapCut profile settings. Find the cache size option. You should see a trash can icon or a clear cache button. Click that to remove the stored cache files. This will not delete your projects, but it can help refresh the app and remove corrupted temporary data that may be causing the issue. After clearing the cache, close CapCut completely and reopen it one more time. Then load your project again and test whether error 4392 is fixed. In many cases, just these 2 steps are enough to get CapCut working normally again. If the error still appears, it may also help to update CapCut to the latest version, restart your device, or check whether your system has enough storage and memory available. So to recap, first disable hardware encoding, then clear the app cache, restart CapCut, and test again. These are 2 of the fastest and safest ways to troubleshoot CapCut error 4392 without losing your work. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.